If we had to name one technology related aspect that has seen the industry abuzz with excitement and progression, I'm sure that, like me, for many of you, the term data scientist comes to mind. The right analytical background and statistical knowledge may form the key foundation on which a data scientist performs. But what value is a data scientist who may be red hot on paper and can create the most amazing and valuable insights, yet is unable to communicate these back to the business in a manner which can be understood and onboarded for real change to take place? It is critically important to understand that for a data scientist to add real value to business and institute positive and beneficial change, there are a certain set of non-technical related softer skills the expert must attain. Often, these skills are overlooked, yet provide the ability to elevate the data science role, and as identified in this course, can set each data scientist apart from each other and their competition. You will find many videos on internet and many courses offered by elite universities on the technical things you should learn to become a good data scientist. There are unfathomable material on machine learning, deep learning, Python, R, etc. But in real, there are many non-technical aspects that make a good data scientist great. And that is exactly what we will learn in this course. Hi, my name is Prince Patni, and I welcome you all to this course on learning some important soft skills every data scientist must possess. This course is suitable for everyone who want to enter the role of data science or any other role related to data domain like data analysis, business intelligence, machine learning, etc. So feel free to look into the course content and I look forward to see you in the course.